How to disable Quick Add on Snapchat. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. First thing first, simply move into your application Snapchat. Make sure you are logged into a specific account and also make sure that it is up to date. Once you are in the home page of Snapchat, what you need to do is click on this profile icon at the top left corner of the screen. Click on the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you're inside the settings page, scroll down and in the section of privacy control, you'll see the option where it says See Me in Find Friends. All you gotta do is click on this option. Now you need to disable this option, Show Me in Find Friends. Now your account will not be shown to you in the section of Find Friends. Also, you can head over to Contact Me and then set the settings to Friends only. Click on OK. Now people on the contact section of your device will also not be able to find your username or your account. That way you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.